Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make a very quick, easy and healthy cabbage stew, and we are going to also add some other types of vegetables to it just to spice things up and to also make it even more healthier. So for this recipe you will need some cabbage, and with me here I have one medium-sized shredded cabbage, 4 small diced carrots. Here I have 1 zucchini, 2 fresh tomatoes, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 1 red, 1 yellow and 1 green bell peppers. Here I have 1 sliced onion, 2 stalks of celery, 1 bottled Italian tomatoes, minced ginger and garlic paste, curry powder, thyme, extra virgin olive oil, 2 nut cubes and some salt. And here I have hard chicken which I've diced into smaller cubes. You can use soft chicken if you want, you can even use chicken breast, but I always like to use hard chicken for this recipe because it has a better taste. You can as well use beef if you want. So in a big enough pot I'm going to pour in some of the extra virgin olive oil, add some thyme and pour in the 1 sliced onion and mix it together. Then I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of the minced ginger and garlic paste. Then pour in the stalk of celery. Now the base of your stew really matters a lot. If you season your oil very well, it helps a lot to add more flavor and taste to your stew. So that's why you need to go through this process. Then pour in the meat and stir fry it for about 1 minute. After 1 minute of stirring, we are going to start seasoning it. I'm going to add the 2 nut cubes I showed you earlier, and then I'll pour in the bottled tomato. Now if you want, you can use tin tomato paste. Just add about 4 tablespoons of the tin tomato paste in a bowl, mix it with some water to make the consistency a little bit light, and then pour it into the pot. It works as well. Now I just stirred everything together and added a little bit of water to it, just a tiny bit of water. Then add some salt, stir it again and cover the pot. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes on a medium heat. After 10 minutes of cooking, this is what it looks like. At this point your stew is ready. You can just serve it over white rice and enjoy, but this is a vegetable stew. So now I'm going to add the carrots and then add in the other vegetables in the bowl. I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of the curry powder. Mix everything together until they are well combined. Now you are going to cover the pot and allow it to steam for 10 minutes on a low heat, guys. You don't want these vegetables to be too soggy, so just set your heat to low and allow it to steam for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can taste for salt and some seasonings, and in my own case I needed to add some salt, and I poured a little bit of water to loosen it up because I think it's very thick for my liking. And if you add the vegetables, don't add water to it because they will release their own water, so you don't need too much water for this. And lastly we are going to add the cabbage, stir everything together and allow it to simmer for 1 minute. Nothing more than 1 minute, because the cabbage should be crunchy. Just seeing the cabbage on the screen should tell you that the cabbage is very crunchy. You don't have to overcook it. So that is it, guys. This is super easy to put together. It tastes so good, and this can also help you to lose weight if you're on a weight loss journey. You can serve this over white rice, boiled yams, spaghetti, any type of meal you want to serve it over with, and you can as well eat it just the way it is. You have to give it a try. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.